Hi guys, welcome back to the Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto news, airdrop updates, pumping coins, top gainer, shit coins, and everything in the crypto space. Like I do every morning, I talk about crypto news, I search for news, I search for interesting stuff, and today I just saw an interesting news. Now there's this cryptocurrency called OlympusDAO fork. Now the news I'm getting on Cointelegraph is that investors rug pull after pouring $57 million into the dog-themed project. Now, Hong Kong police have reportedly been notified of the incident, with the primary suspect having filed a police report and handed a computer over to the authorities. I hope this is recording. Okay, so after launching via Discord channel on October 28th, AnubisDAO went on to raise a roughly over 13,000 Ethereum using Alchemist coin liquidity bootstrapping pool LBP copper. However, the funds were unexpectedly sent to a different address roughly 20 hours into the LBP. CNBC spoke to one of the investors who claimed to have lost almost $417,000 to AnubisDAO. The investor, his name is Brian Nguyen, concerned to subscribing to a buy first do research later mentality. Instead of him to do research, he decided to buy the token first and end up losing money because the people that created the token actually rug pulled. And that is where our content comes in very handy. We try as much as possible to do the research for you and to tell you when to invest in the cryptocurrency and when not to invest. If probably you are taking this time to do research and check about the project before investing that kind of money, you would not end up losing this amount of money. $470,000 is a huge amount of money to lose. So moving forward, he said Anubis is the Greek name for the Egyptian god of death, and the other word with the Egyptian imagery depicting the god of donning the body of a human and the head of a dog. Investors appear to have lost roughly $57 million worth of Ethereum in what may be described as a rug pull executed by the upstart canine-themed OlympusDAO fork and AnubisDAO. So basically, the people that invested money in this cryptocurrency ended up losing majority of, in fact, they ended up losing $57 million worth of Ethereum in total, and it's quite painful that people create projects to make people lose money. Like I say, majority of these meme coins, shit coins, are actually created to scam people. It's only a few that have your interest at heart. So when you want to invest, make sure you do your own research. It's better for you to have your money and not to invest than for you to invest your money and end up losing everything because you did not research enough and you were not careful enough. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notifications so that when I have an interesting story and interesting news, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another interesting content.